So today we're going to be looking at website evaluation. This is a basic website evaluation form from Read Write Think. It's a PDF, so when it's shared with you in the drive, you won't be able to edit it. You can convert it to a document, you can print it out and write on it with a pen or a pencil, or you can open it in something like Goodreader that'll allow you to annotate it, which means right below it. We'll talk about how to do all those things later. But first, I want you to just see what the evaluation form should look like. As you can see here, at the top it gives you website and who it's evaluated by. That's going to be you. Underneath we have author, who wrote the web page, is the person in authority on the topic. What credentials does the author or site have? We have purpose, what's the goal of the site? Is the information accurate? Does it fit the goal of your project? Why did the author publish this site? We have audience. Does the site clearly identify the audience? Are you a part of the intended audience? Does the audience for the site match you as a researcher? Publication. When was the site published or last updated? Is the information correct? Are the links up to date? Finally, we have overall. Based on your answers to the previous questions, would you recommend this site to others in your class? Why or why not? So when we look at these 5 pieces, I want you to truly give me some in-depth responses. I don't want you to just say, Bob wrote the website, yes, no. Yeah, he's an authority, no, he doesn't have any credentials. This is not the kind of answer that I'm looking for here. I want to know the name of the person, what makes them an authority on the topic, and what credentials they have. When we say credentials, that doesn't mean teaching credential. It could, but it usually doesn't. It means what makes us believe them. For example, if it's about brushing your teeth, is it written by a dentist? Then his credentials are that he's a dentist. He holds a degree in, things that dentists do. That's not what an actual dental degree is. Please don't quote me on that. If he is a carpenter writing about your teeth, probably he's not an expert on the source, and so we wouldn't want to consider it. The next one, purpose, I feel like students really tend to gloss over, and I don't want that to happen. What is the goal of the site? I want you to kind of really give me a good idea about what they're doing before just answering, yes, it's accurate, yes, it fits, I don't know why he published it. IDK, never an acceptable response. You need to figure out what is the purpose of this. If it is, like we talked about in A, an article about cleaning your teeth on a website about proper hygiene for teeth, the purpose is probably to educate people about taking care of their teeth. That would be a good thing to write. Audience. Please stop telling me that the audience is high school kids. I can guarantee you that the majority of the internet was not published for high school kids. So you need to find out who it was published for. Going back to the teeth issue, if it's about taking care of your teeth, it's probably published for people who wanted more information about taking care of their teeth, other dentists, parents, maybe college students, people who are moving out on their own, people who have recently had a cavity, people who are trying to improve their health in general. Things like that, specific things. Publication, when was the site published or last updated? I'm looking for an actual date. So was it updated on the 16th of July of this year? I'm going to need to know that. If it was updated on the 16th of July 14 years ago, it's probably not going to be the most reliable source, unless it's something that doesn't change. So a printable copy of the Constitution, it really doesn't matter when it was published. The Constitution hasn't changed in quite some time. However, if it's recipe reviews or hottest places to eat in San Diego, that's going to change. It's going to be relevant. We need that information. And then finally, based on all of your answers, would you recommend this? Obviously, we need a yes or a no. but we also need a why or why not. That's a basic overview of the website evaluation form. This is what I'm looking for in this assignment. Any additional questions, please let me know, but basically you have the paper. Now you know what I want from the paper. It's available to you. I am expecting complete and thoughtful responses. Thank you.